Good morning, everybody. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. This morning I'm going to walk you through a 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard. We'll start up front. You've got ample seating up front, storage underneath the seats. You've got your anchor windlass up here with your remote control as well. You have your sunshade pole holders here and a washdown up front. Super easy to use. We'll walk back through the walkway. You'll see you have a windbreak here. You also are going to have access to your key switch and your trash can. Keeps it nice and dry. On this dash, it's awesome. You've got twin screens, tilt steering wheel, easy to operate switches, digital throttle and shift. You've also got a really neat feature here. You've got your phone charger, your fold-up bolsters for your seats. On the port side, you've got a rotating seat here, your head door. Very large head for a 26-foot boat. You also are going to have your glove box, which is lockable. LED lighting throughout, in-floor storage. You have storage underneath these seats also. Very roomy. You also have your table mount and your battery charger there. Looking aft, you've got a 300 horse Mercury WHT outboard power, a very large sun pad. Your tower is an articulating tower, so it folds all the way down to the windshield. If you guys like to come see this boat, stop by MarineMax Stuart. Thank you very much.